Okay, now we're going to make a drawing of our pegboard toy. So we're going to go to New. We're going to make sure we're in English, because down here it says Drawing. Go to the ANSI, Drawing. Start a new file. Click on Base. If your pegboard does not automatically show up, you must click up here and open an existing file and choose your file. Okay, once this first one pops up, all you have to do is move your mouse straight up and click a second time. Now we can move our mouse straight to the right of that one, to the bottom one. Click a second time, and then diagonally we click that one. Now these three little buttons here, this takes away your hidden lines. That's your hidden lines, the ones you can't see. There's in the backgrounds you need to measure from. We do want that selected. And this one right here is a shaded. So if we just wanted black and white, we would deselect that button. But I want to select that because I want the color to show this time. Select OK. Okay. If it's not where you need them to be, you can, when you move your mouse closer, you see these dotted lines. You can actually go to this bottom left one and move it over. Those three move together because they're multi-view drawing or orthographic drawings, so they stay together. This one's an isometric drawing, so it's going to be a little different. I'm going to move it over a little bit more. Something we haven't done before is put a parts list on here. So we're going to go to Annotate, go all the way where it says Parts List. Okay. Okay, we're going to select this box, and once you select OK, it's asking you where you want to put the parts list. I'm going to select right here. Now at this point it's really small. We need to adjust that parts list. So over here on the left where your model browser is, you'll see parts list. We can double click on it, and we don't really want the description in there, so we're going to have to column chooser, and over here where it says description, that's not the, we do want the description, but that's not what it's giving us. We're going to remove it, and when we select OK and apply, we see that description is no longer there. We also have another problem. It's really small writing, so let's go up to Manage, Style Editor. Takes a little while for that to open. Go down to where you have to expand this A text. Go to Note Text, and I'm going to change this to about 0.3 or 3/10 of an inch. Save and close. It makes it a little bit bigger. That's how you adjust the size. I'm going to drag it out a little bit. You may want to make that just a little bit bigger. Let's go Style. Let's change this to Report. Save and close. Okay. I don't like that it says part number here, so maybe we need to change that as well. Parts list. If we click on this box and right click and go to Format Column, let's change that to Item. We'll save and close. Apply. And now it says Item. Okay. We also need to add what's called the balloons. So let's go back to Annotate. So we got this parts list, but we don't know which. It pulls the parts list from how you named your files. So item 1 is a pegboard. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can come here to balloons over here to the right under Annotate. You can do the auto balloons. You can select the view that you want the balloons to go to. I'm running out of time. Select placement and place it there. Hit apply, and all your balloons show up your numbers or item numbers. Okay, in the next video I'll show you how to do it manually.